All right, we're back here again. Yeah, so we're back in Help Wanted. Gonna be playing vent repairs with Mangle, Ennard, and then the hard mode versions of Mangle and Ennard. That's what we're gonna be doing today. And my mate maybe find a few more tapes here and there. Let's start. So we're loading in. I have been working on a bunch of stuff, like a little button. What's up, Mr. Furry? So, get straight to it. Last time we did parts and service, and then did hard mode. My bad. While I was editing the video, I don't think I imported footage of me doing Freddy. I'm sorry. My bad. Didn't quite mean to do that. Anyway, let's just get started. No, you should have looked at the instructions, because it was a different thing. It's for a different level. I don't care. Also, let me just magically pull out a coin out of my pocket, like, what's that behind your ear?
Welcome to Vent Repair.
Perfect.
Fazbear Entertainment prides itself on having the most comfortable facilities.
How about, like,
each facility is set to a perfect 72 degrees all the time. The 4 active indicator lights mean we have a
Oh hell no, I screwed up the system. Click that. Oh! It's the non-gender specific person. Ooh, a level. I think you're actually supposed to look at the wires though. Oh, hang. No, why they shut that? What the? Well, let me get one more hacker out. Oh, my eyes. I've been blinded. Open that. No. Can I pull it back? No. Okay. Red. No. Orange. Green. Blue. Red. I'm locked in. I told you. I'm locked in.
A perfect 72 degrees.
Good job.
See you next time.
Yippee! Can clock out. Cause I'm locked in or something. Yo, look at that kick. I am planning on maybe doing like a bit more Gorilla Tag.
It seems that you may have inadvertently accessed an unauthorized portion of the game. Please be aware that interacting with unofficial game code can be harmful to you and potentially damaging to our reputation.
I was planning on doing more Gorilla Tag, but maybe when they bring back Ghost Reactor. It's coming out like the 17th, which is in a bit. You can just skip that. I'm saying like skip the instructions, because those are useless. Nobody reads them. Only here and there looking for lore. Okay. I'm not talking about map.
Welcome to Circus Babies Entertainment and Rental. It has been 0 days since last incident. Emergency ventilation repairs.
What?
Motion trigger. Breaker room.
Oh, you gotta do one of these now. Okay. And the last one, you know what? Just click it, because you already know the last one's already gonna be that button, because there's no other buttons. Okay. Boop. Boop. Dude, that's really far. Boopity boop. What? Oh, you little mother.
Well done.
Bro, you seriously got me mixed up on that. Also, I was playing Smackdown when I punched the wall really hard. Yeah, the trigger's like suction cupped to it.
Well done.
Hey, I be you, little spaghetti man. Better eat you for breakfast. Ah! Why'd I actually get my blood going even though I've already known that was gonna happen before? Bro, are you serious? Ooh. That's a long way down. Oh, bro. Jeez, bro, can't stick my head out at all. No. Oh my god, that could have been really bad. Nope, okay. Boom. Wait, I'll take that.
Motion trigger. Secondary service elevator ventilation
Okay,
shaft.
you see that? We take this gear, put it in there. It's gonna give us that gear. Then we use that gear, put it here, put that gear. Then take this gear, put it there, and then where did he go? Basically, speedrun. Okay, that.
Well done.
And then toss them all out. I didn't actually know that they come back in there. Like the gears, like if you drop. Good to know. I'm potentially gonna drop them. Owie. I hit my head really hard on that. Oh, what's going on? Owie. Yo, what's poppin'? What did that?
Motion trigger. Boiler room.
Okay, let's do it. Let's do it. Okay.
Well done.
Easy. Isn't Enter supposed to be here? Okay, we're doing this one. I believe you just need to like. Just like do it one more time.
Well done.
Yeah, I literally need to click like that one. I literally need to click two and then just boop, 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 boop. That's cool, I can still see it. You know, like when you're walking at midnight and then your toe just like hits the corner of. That's how it feels. Your toe just like.
See you next time.
What? Why did this door show but not that one? Nice. Let's. Chica. Ooh, sparkle.
Using proprietary technology developed by Fazbear Entertainment, our VR development teams were able to use vintage control boards almost like plug and play, digitally recreating performances and personalities from the past in an instant.
Let's get cooking. So, I think now we should do it. Let's do Mangle. Now, I'm pretty sure it's just like the same thing that we did last time, except there's Shadow Mangle. I have died a few times to Shadow Mangle. Shadow Mangle? Oh, it's on my eyes. Oh, bro, it is so bright. No joke. That's how bad it is. Oh, it's everything at once. Orange, green, red, blue. Oh, perfect circle. Wait. Yeah, so this is the last switch. Dang, I did it already. Oh, and there's the corner. I hadn't already collected it. But I'm Sigma, so I already got it.
Perfect 72
degrees. Good job.
See you next time.
Yippee! I can clock out or whatever. My collar's blue, but my neck is red. Bro. That I legitimately feel like my collar's blue, but my neck is red. After opening the prize, but oh, what the? Oh, I like burping my ew. Oh god. Ooh, it's got a little kick to it. Ooh. Hi, Mr. Furry. You got Yenord. Let's do it. I do know there's actually a few tapes with this one and coins in this. So let's just do it. Also, yeah, that.
Welcome to Circus Baby's Entertainment and Rental. It has been 0 days since last incident. Emergency ventilation repairs may be necessary to reach the boiler room on sub-basement G. We apologize for the claustrophobic accommodations of the secondary service elevator, but the comfort of the main elevator is well above your pay grade. Now, let's get to work.
Now I know that there was Bonnet, Withered Bonnet. Yeah, okay, so we're not doing the Withered Bonnet thing now, but later there's a Withered Bonnet.
Motion trigger.
With the coin in her eye. That's good, Vara's already learning. I've already been in the game before, so.
Well done.
Nah, it's a pretty cool room. Ding. No, this is where it gets a little bad. Bruh, you serious? Bruh, I picked the wrong one. And then his fat. Yeah, and then dude's fat got in the way. Bruh. Serious. Legitimately, how I feel after pressing a button.
Welcome to Circus Baby's Entertainment and Rental. It has been 0 days.
Okay, we're back. This time we're not losing.
Motion trigger. Breaker room.
That's great on my head. Okay. Yeah.
Well done.
Can't tell, but I was trying to flip them off. But I realized this isn't like rules tag. Yeah, so.
Well done.
Hehe. Goodbye, Grandpa. Go back to the nursing home. Doom. Wait. Oh, it makes the whole screen black.
Well done.
Oh, there he is. Oh, I already know what's about to happen. Now, I know that that bonnet's like on either one side of these. Yep, there you go. It happened all the way down there because the coin like. Yeah, we don't gotta worry about nothing else now. We're good. And mama do bad, do bad, do bad, and I'm my friend, do bad, do bad. How come when I grab it, my hand turns invisible? But then when I grab it with the other hand, okay, speedrun.
Motion trigger. Secondary service elevator ventilation shaft.
Give me that. It's a little bit more difficult because I have to reach for it. Meteor. Stop being a scary meteor. Oh, he's right there. Oh!
Well done.
Oh yeah. And then they appear like wherever they were. Oh no, I forgot. Now we just got one last little chunk before we're done. Oh, it makes the whole place like turn, yeah.
Motion trigger, boiler room.
Smart. So I know you want to do that twice. Do it twice. Yeah, and then change one to go that way. Well, I'm just gonna click 4 for the fun of it.
Well done.
Oh, that's Fredbear. That's Fredbear's body. Ding! Oh, I can't see. Oh my! I've been blinded. I see the light. So yeah, you just click 1, and then click the same button like a few times. Easy. Oh, there's Spaghetti Meteor. I believe that was Funtime Freddy. Oh, there he is. Yeah, so there's Funtime Freddy, Circus Baby. Okay, one more time. Yeah, we're done. Oh. I thought. Okay, actually, I might be screwed.
Well done.
Or not. I live to see another day. Let's go. Let's go. You know what sucks when you're going past your bed at midnight and then your toe just like slowly makes its way to the corner and then kind of feels like a
Well done. Perfect. 72 degrees.
Oh yeah, now my whole body's gonna feel sort of like that. Bro, get out! Yeah, my whole body's gonna feel like the pinky toe. Man. Oh yeah, we're here now. Bro, grab my cake. Yummy meat. Wait. wait. Meat bites, like meatballs.
Are you having fun yet?
Still
That's
not.
great to hear.
And with that, we have completed every single piece of vent repair, including Mangle and Ennard, easy mode and hard mode. Oh, I got like 10. I'm cold. And there's the furry. Gonna throw some. Yeah, there you go. Close enough. Close enough. Let's see what else we got. Why was I doing this? It's a fan. Oh, Meteor, can I get a toy? Oh my, that was pretty sick. What if I did it with the cockroach, bounced it off the wall, and then landed it in my mouth and ate it? Y'all was not reaching that. Actually, let me cook with this. Let me cook on the idea. How about Michael Jordan? I was still there, so I'm just gonna like sort of. Yeah, I'm not reaching that. I'm sort of like going under my bed. Yep, okay. Well, that's it for Help Wanted. I really hope you enjoyed it. That was me doing vent repair. Next video, I'm planning on doing the dark rooms. We're first off sort of like doing the mini games. Like you've got parts and service, then you've got vent repair, and dark rooms. Not traditional FNAF, you know? But then FNAF 3, 2, and 1 will be doing like a video where it's like night 1 of each night. Like FNAF 1, night 1, FNAF 2, night 1, FNAF 3, night 1. Then in this next video after that, it would be FNAF 1, night 2, FNAF 2, night 2, FNAF 3, night 2, you know, until we get all of it done. And then we have its own whole video for night terrors. Yeah, so next video we're doing dark rooms. I'm planning to do dark rooms. Here and there I might do some UGG. I hear the new Halloween update. And I'll see you next time. Roll the finger. Welcome. Now, subscribe to the channel for some content related to this, or related to anything VR that you like. And you could also watch another, in case you want to.